Let me show you how you can create this type of digital awakening video. Here I'm in Wondershare Filmora. You can try Filmora for free through the link mentioned in the description below. First, head over to Stock Media, then open AI Media. Search for desk, and from the results, choose the desk chair keynap template to get started. Next, click the upload icon to add your photo. Select single mode, set the aspect ratio to 16.9, and then hit submit. Now, just wait for the video to finish generating. For the second template, search Office Inferno. Use the Office Inferno contrast template. Follow the same procedure as earlier. Click the upload icon. Add the same picture, keep the mode and aspect ratio the same, then hit submit again. Wait for the video to finish generating. For the last video, search Cyber. Let's use static cyber orbit. Follow the same procedure we used earlier. Now, head over to My Files, locate the 3 generated videos and drag them into your workspace. Adjust the scale and position so they properly fit the project size. Next, go to Effects and search for Comic Multitrack. Here is the quick reminder. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe my channel and like this for more video editing tutorials. Drag it onto the second video layer, then match its duration with the first clip. Also, change the speed to 60. Now, duplicate the effect and apply it to the second clip as well. This is how it looks once the effect is applied. Next, search for Breakout in Effects. Drag it onto the second video layer to apply it to the third clip. Now it's time to create compound clips. Select each clip along with its effects. Right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. Do this for all clips until you have 3 compound clips. Next, go to Transitions, search Floodlight, and apply it between the first and second clip. Set the duration to 2 seconds. For the second transition, search Zoom Ghost, and apply it between the second and third clip, also with a 2-second duration. Next, go to Effects, Body Effects, Hallucination. Apply the electric shock effect to the third clip, then head over to Effect Settings to customize it. Adjust glow and edge feather as needed. This is how it looks once applied. Another effect, search Powers. Use Energy Elemental 04 and apply it to the third clip. Now let's preview how the video looks so far, but we're not done yet. Go to Titles and search for Bright Glowing Letters. Place it on the first clip. Change the default text to Digital Awakening. Change the alignment to middle. Then add a shadow. Adjust the shadow color, opacity, blur, and distance as needed. Once everything is ready, click the Export button and you're good to go. So that's it for this quick Filmora tutorial. If you don't have Filmora yet, make sure to try out today. Link is mentioned in the description below. Make sure to subscribe for more videos and I will see you in the next one.